One of the things people get the most nervous about when they have marble and granite and natural stone countertops in their home is the potential for staining. In this video, I want to teach you how to remove stains from your marble or granite or natural stone countertops using a very simple poultice. There are different types of stains that you can have on your natural stone finishes. The one we're going to focus on today is an oil stain, and you'll know it's an oil stain because it'll be kind of like yellowish or maybe a little bit green, kind of like the color of olive oil. And you'll see it sitting right there on your counter. You can't miss it. And don't let it freak you out because there's a really easy solution. Now, some other stains that you might get would be like a tannin stain, coffee or tea. You can also have a rust stain or an etching stain. Now, the coffee and tea, kind of those tannin stains, you can likely deal with using the same method we're gonna do today. Rust will require a different treatment, and etching probably requires some professional attention. So let's just focus on this particular type of stain. It's a simple fix. You need nothing more than baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Now, if I were you, I would test this in a small hidden area first for no other reason aside from the fact that you don't want to ruin these countertops, and we're using something like hydrogen peroxide, so you just want to make sure it's not going to ruin anything. So to mix up your poultice, what you're going to do is use 2 parts baking soda to 1 part or a little less than 1 part hydrogen peroxide. It's that consistency that's key. You want it like thick, spreadable, ooey gooey, and then you're just gonna put it over the stained area. Once that's done, this is the easy part, you just walk away, you leave it. Now overnight, it's going to harden, and what happens is the hydrogen peroxide has a little bit of bleaching effect, and the baking soda has a leaching effect, so it pulls that stain out. So by the time it dries in 24 or 48 hours, obviously if it's a heavy duty stain, you want to leave it for a day or 2, don't fiddle with it. Get yourself a scraper or an old credit card, something that won't scratch your surface. Just gently kind of scrape off that baking soda, toss it into the sink. You won't have to do any more work. The stain will be gone. Stain removal is one thing, stain prevention is another. So let's talk for just a quick minute about how to prevent these stains. Rust stains happen when you leave something metal that's wet on the surface. In fact, I do have some rust stains in my own bathroom from a metal tray that has been sitting on that counter corralling all of my stuff. So I'll deal with that metal stain in another video, or that rust stain, I should say, in another video. Etching stains can be avoided by not putting anything that's acidic on the surface. So for example, certain types of cleaning products, vinegar, or anything that has the potential to etch or ruin a surface, you want to keep off of marble. In general though, sealing your natural stone surfaces, whether it's countertops or floors, every 2 to 3 months is key. Now, admittedly, I'm lazy. I don't do this, which is why I'm dealing with these stains right now. But what you would do, and I'm advising you and like telling myself to do it at the same time, you would go to a big box store and pick up a bottle of natural stone sealant. You can find it in like a home care type store. You bring it home, you clean your surface, you apply it based on package instructions with a rag. You let it sit for the set period of time, then you buff off any excess, and your surface will be sealed and protected from stains. So now that you know how to confidently use a poultice and remove or pull up any of those kind of oily stains on your counter, I hope you give it a try. I hope you have some really good luck with it. And let me know any of your cleaning conundrums in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like it and subscribe to this channel for more great cleaning tips. You can also check out the Clean My Space channel where, we have tons of cleaning tips up there. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.